when the sum of tens place is equal to 10 and units places are having same digits, then say for example take the numbers 36 into 76. In this 3 and 7 constitutes the tens place, and if you try to sum it up you will be getting 10, and in the units place the digits are same, and that is 6. Now the result will be always the last two digits are square of the units digit, and the rest of the result digits are simply product of the tens digit plus unit digit, that is 2736 simply. Now detailed explanation. Given the number 36 into 76, which is in such a way which satisfies both the given condition. Now analyzing the result. 36 into 76, the units digit is 6. So 6 square is simply 36. And what about the rest of the result, which is simply 3 into 7 plus 6. 6 always the unit digit. Add it up. Finally, the result is 3 into 7, 21 plus 6, 27 and 36. Finally, 2736. Let's practice some of the problems. Solution for the first problem. Take 42 into 62. Here 4 plus 6 is 10. And look at the units digit. They are same. That is 2. The result will be 42 into 62. 2 square is 4. But taking 2 digits, so 0, 4. What about the rest of the value? 4 into 6 plus 2. 2 is unit digit always. Finally, my result is 4 into 6, 24 plus 2, 26. Merging 0, 4. Finally, 2604. Solution 2. 49 into 69. Here also this number is satisfying both of the conditions. 4 plus 6 is 10 and units digits are same, that is 9. Now the result will be 49 into 69, 9 into 9, 81, that is 9 square, and the rest of the digits are 4 into 6 plus 9, unit digit always, that is 9. Finally, my answer is 4 into 6, 24 plus 9, 33, and combining with 81, 3381. Solution for the third question. 81 into 21. Here 8 plus 2 is 10. And digits in the units digit is also same, that is 1. Now the answer will be 81 into 21. 1 square is 1. Constituting 2 digits, so including 0, preceding 0, so 0, 1. And 8 into 2 plus 1, always unit digit. So 8 into 2 is 16 plus 1, 17. 0, 1. Finally, 1701. Solution for both one. 78 into 38. Here 7 plus 3 is 10. And units digits are same, and that is 8. The result is 78 into 38. 8 square is 64. And 7 into 3 plus the unit digit 8, which is 7 into 3, 21, plus 8, 29. Finally, my answer is 2964. Solution for 5. 26 into 86. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. And 6 is the unit digit which is same in both the cases. Finally, my result is 6 square is 36 simply. Then 2 into 8 plus 6, which is going to be 16 plus 6, 22. And combining with 36, finally my result 2236. Give me your answer in the comment section below. Good luck.